Friends, uh, before we start the press conference, let me tell you how it will go. I will talk about the Swayam Purna program. I have with me Director of Education, then he will address, and any other relevant question if you have regarding the scope of today, you are free to ask as per the time available to you. So friends, the Swayam Purna Goa program under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, an ambitious project of the Government of India, was launched in the state of Goa by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant in October 2022. It has an aim to achieve the desired goal of making Goa self-reliant in all sectors of human endeavour. The endeavour of this government is to transform Goa into an ideal state. And in this contest, Government of Goa has embarked upon a mission on a theme, Vision 2020-25, to initiate efforts to revamp the whole state administration and make it more responsible. As you are all aware, the government led by the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has launched Swayam Purna Goa program in a mission mode. The mission is to lay maximum emphasis on ensuring that the beneficiary of each and every beneficiaries oriented scheme reaches to the last person at his or her door, so that each and every eligible person under various schemes is benefited. The efforts of the government towards this goal include three major initiatives. One, Sarkar Tumche Dari program. Second, all camps and melawas under Swayam Purna 1.0 program. And third is the launching of Know Your Scheme platform. The above efforts of the government have already achieved very exciting and desired results. I would like to tell you the outcome of the Swayam Purna Goa 1.0 program. More than altogether 24,667 beneficiaries were enrolled in one of the other beneficiaries oriented scheme of the Goa government. These 24,667 were the Goan persons who were participating in various Swayam Purna Goa program 1.0 version, and they were enrolled during these camps and have got benefit under various schemes. These are not only the general beneficiaries, this includes around 2157 Divyang persons. They were identified during Swayam Purna Goa 1.0 melawas and camps, and they were provided with the aids like smart cane, wheelchair, etc. There were 10,667 workers in a record time were enrolled under E-Shram scheme in a record time of 2 months during the Swayam Purna Goa 1.0 program. So these are all together 24,600 beneficiaries from across the state of Goa. Is the major achievement of Swayam Purna Goa 1.0 program of the Government of Goa. The Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, launched Swayam Purna Goa program with an objective to take all beneficiaries oriented schemes to all the sections of the society with the sole aim of, I underline, no one is left behind. The Swayam Purna Goa 2.0 program now was launched on 9th April 2022, and since then theme-based webinar programs are conducted every month. Under this Swayam Purna Goa 2.0 program, every month a new theme is decided and accordingly webinars are conducted. The first theme-based webinar under Swayam Purna Goa 2.0 was conducted on 23rd April 2022. The theme was, again I underline, awareness program for scheduled caste persons in Goa. The second theme-based webinar program was conducted on 7th May 2022. The theme was, I underline, awareness program for Goan farmers community. These are the details of Swaympurna Goa 1.0 program and Swaympurna Goa 2.0 program till this day. Now I come to the issue for which this press conference is called for. In continuation to all these efforts during the last year and these many months of this year, the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant desired to have a webinar, seminar program, live interaction on, I again underline, career guidance on 18th June 2022 at 11 a.m. onwards. So today's press conference is on this very important subject. I repeat, today's press conference is on this very significant issue concerned with all whole students community of Goa. And today's press conference is also of utmost importance for Goan youth population and their parents. These are the youth in consultation with their parents, they choose a line of path for their future. In other words, let me make it crystal clear, the subject of today's press conference is such that not only the parents will benefit to help their wards seeking admission in a particular stream of academic curriculum, but will help the parents also to suggest them and come to a conclusion and choose the choicest subject for their career in academic field. This will help greatly the Goan youth and young population, the future of Goa, to choose a line of study of their choice and further pursue course of their choice passionately with their dedication. I emphasize passionately because the result of the career guidance programs is to guide and make them aware what should they do in academic field or in the field of some training programs which makes them an entrepreneur. So, whatever they will choose, the student in consultation with the parents after the career guidance program will certainly be of his choice, and I feel that when the passion comes in the student and passionately he pursues his program. These choices include the stream of seeking admission after school education, which leads them to pursue a career of their choice. The students can either choose a vocational education, or technical education, or medical education, or an engineering course, or chartered accountancy, or preferring a skilled training program in traditional trades or other income generating trades, for which the facilities and infrastructure is available substantially in the state of Goa. They may prefer to face various competitive exams. Those are all India based and want to become the civil service officer. They want to, may prefer to go to the defense forces or police organization and so on and so on. The category of student population across the state can be a male student, can be a female student, can be a student of a reserved category, can be a student belonging to a poor middle class, can be a student belonging to a rich elite classes. So these students from all categories and parents need guidance to choose appropriate career for them. And they need counseling. They need detailed information about all facilities available in the state, infrastructure, timing of selection of appropriate course, academic field, or a skilled training course available for them, and keeping all this close to the heart, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, under Swaympurna Program 2.0, has decided to conduct this live webinar seminar program on Saturday 18th at 11 a.m. onwards. and that too with the help of the best expert guides available in the state. Let me categorically make a statement that the Swaympurna program, under Swaympurna program 2.0, the Honorable Chief Minister himself has conceptualized this program of career guidance to be held on Saturday on 18th. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shall personally chair the program at 11 a.m. Various schemes in this, various sessions in this webinar program will be held in 3 sessions. One session will be conducted by soft skill trainer and career guidance coach. Second session will be by the Director Skill Development, Shri Deepak Desai. And third session will be by the Managing Director of Goa Education Development Corporation. These webinars, live interaction programs, will be broadcast on YouTube, Facebook, and I hope this program shall significantly contribute to the student community to passionately pursue their field of study in academics, vocational training to become good administrator and so on. In all certainty, I am confident all students across the state of Goa, together with their parents, would be benefited greatly in best decision making, and it would help them to develop the future of the students. All Swaympurna Mitras working under the Swaympurna program will coordinate the program. Supervisors under the Swaympurna Goa will ensure smooth conduct of the program. Director School Education has taken a great pain to ensure that the program is attended by all the students and their parents from all the schools across the state of Goa. Government authorities have made it sure that such live interaction programs are conducted in all the village panchayats and municipalities across the state of Goa. So the program audience shall also be the youth population from various village panchayats, municipalities and students in their schools. During the program, the most important thing is that Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shall personally interact with the students, parents, and they will be free to ask any question to the Honorable Chief Minister, and Honorable Chief Minister would be happy to answer their queries. With this, I have the last information for all of you that a link has been created for the program. Program can be seen by all the citizens of Goa. I would request before you leave the hall, you can take photo of this link, so you will have no problem in knowing this. This link, I would especially request you that kindly give the publicity to this link as much as possible and help making the Swaympurna 2.0 program, this webinar on 18th successful. Thank you very much. I would request Director Education.
Provide the Xerox copy of that.
Yeah, please Xerox take 20 copies. Chandresh, I would request Director of Education to address you in brief, then we'll take your
What is
questions.
the link, sir? Link, can you say?
Pardon?
What is the link?
Link, I am giving you Xerox copy. Acha, I'll say Chandresh.
Sir.
Can you say the details about the links?
The link has been created by the government for this webinar program to be held on 18th at 11 a.m. The link is https://youtu.be/a small K capital R small 9 D capital J capital V capital 7
You will be giving xerox of that. That is enough, I think.
ZOG. They want it. Yeah. Now take the xerox. I will request the Director Education to kindly address you.
Thank you for being part of this revolution. I say revolution because this program is being held on Goa Revolution Day. And Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant sir has rightly chosen the base, that is school education. He wants to target the students from 8 to 12. From the high schools, 8th, 9th and 10th standard students will attend the program in the schools, and we have made elaborate arrangement for all those programs. And the students from 11th and 12th will be attending in their higher secondary schools. We have also urged the parents to be a part of it so that they also have their doubts cleared. In case the parents are not able to attend it in the schools, they are free to attend it in the panchayat offices, or the link can also be passed on to them. They can watch it on YouTube or Facebook. As is mentioned by Director Statistics and Planning, 3 important aspects are supposed to be covered. One is career guidance, because lots of people come to us asking for information regarding that. And Honorable Chief Minister has rightly chosen career guidance as one important aspect. Another question that is always asked is what are the schemes that the government has for education, and that also will be covered by GEDC. And finally, this is the age of technology. Emphasis must be on skill development. So one aspect will be definitely skill. The most important part is this will be interactive session, and the students, you all know the students are very inquisitive. They have lots of questions, and Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has agreed to answer the queries raised by the students. There will be also scope for some parents to interact. So I hope you give this a wide publicity so that this program is grand success. I am sure that more than 500, to be precise 538 schools will be covering all these things. The schools include government, aided and unaided schools as well, because unaided schools also they wanted representation. So we have roped in unaided schools also this time, and they have agreed to do the program in their school. And I hope with your support we'll be able to reach out to all the students. Now when I say all the students, I expect around 30,000 students in 11th and 12th, and around 70,000 students from 8 to 10. So that is our target. But parents, I appeal to the parents to please try to attend the program. This is for the benefit of the students. The government has taken a step, and let the parents and the students come forward to accept it. Thank you very much.
स्कुलांक आणि किती नोटिफिकेशन दिले पार्टिसिपेट जावचे खातीर
सर्क्युलर काढला. आम्ही रावताले लिंक हे करपाक म्हणून इनकॉर्पोरेट करपाक, पण लिंक आम्ही सेपरेट धाडटले. त्या भायर लिंक धाडून तांचे कडल्यान फीडबॅकूय घेतले, कितल्या भुरग्यांनी अटेंड केले ते घेतले. टायमिंग 11 ते डिपेंड. क्वेश्चन बी आसतले म्हणल्यार फुडें वाडूंक शकता. ईच सेशन एक 15-20 मिनटाची तरी आसतली, पण इंटरेक्शन जाता तेन्ना कनेक्टिविटीचो तो इश्यू आसा. सो एकदा टायम चड लागूंक शकता. आनी जर भुरग्यांक जर ताचो फायदो जाता आनी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर जर आपलो टायम दिवंक शकता, जाल्यार म्हाज्या कोतान भुरग्यांनी आनी पेरंटांनी ताचो लाव घेवचो.
So CM will come at what time? Like it will start at 11.
Sharp 11.
He will join that time.
Sharp 11.
सो तुमचे कंप्लीट ना.
म्हजें नांव शैलेश झिंगडे, डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशन.
And from 538 schools, 70,000 students, no?
Around 70,000.
And high secondary,
Higher secondary around 30,000.
from how many high secondary?
Higher secondary